they are joining to Tripura Motha. They have surrendered the Bharatiya Janata Party. We are very happy today. This press briefing is regarding the joining program. At the outset, we are very thankful to the media people who are present here, and we are also very grateful to those people who came to join to Tripura Motha today. I would like to announce the name of the people who are holding the portfolio in the Bharatiya Janata Party Janajati Morcha Committee, that is Hati Bagma Mandal. Here we have the list of the name. Those people who are in the list of the Bagma, Hati Bagma Mandal, they are all present here today. They are surrendering to the Tripura Motha today. They are joining to Tripura Motha. They have surrendered the Bharatiya Janata Party, Janajati Morcha, and we are very happy to receive them and welcome them to our midst because they believe on Thansa. Thansa is a brand name of Tripura, where we believe the unity of our people, the unity of the indigenous people, the unity of the Tripura, who have the mind and soul to work for the development of the people in this state. Therefore, believing on the work of the Tripura Motha, they have surrendered the Bharatiya Janata Party Janajati Morcha Committee, and they have come to Tripura Motha to join their hand to work for the greater Tripura land and to work for the development of the people. Now I would like to read out the names. Umesh Jamatia is the present president of Bagma Janajati Morcha, Hati Bagma Mandal. And we have Pavitra Jamatia. He is an ex-General Secretary, State Yuva Morcha of BJP. We have Ratindra Jamatia, ex-executive member, State Committee. We have Shiva Jamatia, Assistant General Secretary of Bharatiya Janajati Morcha, currently. And we have Hemanta Jamatia, General Secretary of the Janajati Morcha. Then we have Thomas Jamatia, member, and we have Sanjit Jamatia, member, and all these 30 Bagma Mandal, the entire group has joined with Tripura Motha. So we welcome them in our midst to work together for the development of Tripura people and for the development of the state. So we are very happy, and I would like to ask them to share of their experience and their curiosity joining to Tripura Motha.